Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete responses in Qualtrics. When you make a survey on Qualtrics, just like this, I have made on, and you can customize this by clicking on it and the left side of your screen. You can find so many options and tools available for customize your survey. Make sure you have published your survey perfectly, and now you have to click data and analysis to delete responses on your survey. I don't have any responses right now because I have made this survey as a demo for this video, but I'm going to show you how to delete it. Now from this image you can see it clearly that first you have to click on data and analysis just like me, and click on this three dot button of the response that you want to delete. Then you will find the delete option, it will appear here actually. Then you will find the delete option, delete response options available here. Click on it to delete the response. When you click on it, there will might be a confirmation message just like any other platform. Just click on confirm, and the response will delete as soon you click the confirm button. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. We will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.